morning children. Today we will see some more questions related to our chapter money. But before going further, let us revise our previous topics of conversion. If your first question is given, you have to convert 25 paise into rupee. How you are going to write down? 25 paise into rupee. You know that 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Okay, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So for 25 paise, how you are going to write down in rupee? So children, here from your textbook, that is page number 130, you can see that questions are given, price tag of the various articles. You have to write down the price being asked here. Let us see the total price of a car and a teddy bear. आपको हर चीज़ का प्राइस दिया है, बॉल, कैप, car, pencil, etc. Let us see. Total price of car. Car price is 25 and teddy bear price is 8. So both 25 plus 8, it becomes rupees 30. Already given? Children understood? Now next question. The total price of a car and a cap. Car price is 25. Cap price is 10. Then 25 plus 10. Children, solve in your notebook roughly. 25 plus 10 how much? 35. You are going to write down here 35. If you take next question, random. Next, the total price of a cap and a ball. Cap 10 and a ball 12. 10 plus 12, it becomes, children, what? 22. Here you are going to write down answer as 22. Clear this type of questions? Now see the next one. Read the price of the following items. Considering the fact that you have buy 4 items, fill in the blanks. आपको 4 items buy करना है. Such as various items are there, amount are there, prices, apples, sandwiches, colas, peaches, rolls, etc. Okay. 4 multiplied by rupee. Apple is asked. So how much is the price of apple? 6. So 4 6 are 24. Written. Sandwich. What is the price of sandwich here? 10. You have to fill here 10. 4 items you have to need. So 4 already written. 4 multiplied by rupee 10. 4 tens are 40. Colas. 4 multiplied by rupees. What? What is the amount of the price of the cola? 10. 4 multiplied by 10, it becomes rupee 40. If I take rolls, see here no quantity is written, but in the question asked 4. So you have to write down here 4 multiplied by rupees. And what is the price of rolls here, children? Can you see? Rupees 8. So 4 multiplied by rupees 8. Quantity 4 first रहेगा, then second blank will come 8. 4 multiplied by rupee 8. 4 8s are rupee 32. 4 8s are rupee 32. In this way you have to do this type of questions in the textbook. Try to solve it, children. Very good morning, children. Let us see some more questions related to our chapter 9 money. But before going further, let us revise our previous topics again. That is from the topic conversion. You have to convert rupee 5 into paise. You know that 1 rupee equals to how many paise, children? 100 paise. So for rupee 5, how you going to do? This one 5, and how many zeros are there in 100? 2 0. Put that 2 0 after right hand side of the 5, and your answer becomes now 500 paise. Clear? 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So rupee 5, it will become 500 paise. In the same way, rupees 25, it will be how many paise? For rupee 25, you have to find out the quantity in paise, amount in paise. How? Again, 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. Clear? Then for rupees 25, how you going to do? Write what's the amount. Rupee में कितना amount है? 25. Okay? Then how many zeros are there in 100? 2 zeros. Put the 2 zeros like this and paise. Clear? You can write down here 2500, and paise, P denotes for paise, already given. Clear? So children, let us start our new topic, starting with the addition. Addition you are very well know how to add the numbers. Okay, you have seen 2-digit addition, 1-digit and 3-digit addition. In the same way, addition process is the same, but here you have to mention that it is in rupees or else in the paise. You can see here the question given, it is in the form of rupee. Okay, so you have to mention rupees. If here paise has been given, so you will write down paise. That means यहाँ पे अगर रुपीस दिया है तो आपको वहाँ आंसर्स में भी रुपीस लिखना है. अब इफ इन केस पैसे दिया है रुपीस के प्लेस में, तो यू हैव टू राइट डाउन इन द आंसर पैसे. क्लियर? लेट अस डू विद वन एग्जांपल. 104 rupees and 300 rupees. First number 104 written. After that, in the second number 308, and you have to write down it as rupees. Don't forget to write this rupees. Put the addition sign. Okay, then our answer will become in rupees. You have to write down straight. Then what you have to do, start from the one side. 8 plus 4 12. 2 it will go here and 1 will be carried over to the tens place. Then 1 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 becomes 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1. So our answer comes as 1. Then hundreds place, 3 1 plus 3, it becomes 412. So our answer for this question, addition 104 plus 308 rupees, we get the answer as rupee 412, or you can write down like this, 412 rupees. Clear children? Addition process is the same, but you have to write down the denomination, that rupees is given or else paise is given. So children, 2 more questions let us see related to the topic addition. Add 15 paise, 30 paise, 25 paise. See, first write down 15, then our next number is 3030. Next number is 2020. Clear? Then, is it okay? No, you have to mention the denomination, that is paise, or else write down this as p. Simply you can write p, या फिर आप उसमें पूरा नेम दैट इज पैसे लिख सकते हैं. पुट द एडिशन साइन एंड यू हैव टू ऐड. डायरेक्टली राइट डाउन द आंसर हियर एज पैसे. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस वंस प्लेस, 5 plus 0 5, 5 plus 0 5. Clear? 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 how much children? 6. Clear? Clear? So our answer for this is 65p, or else you can write down 65 पैसे पूरा भी लिख सकते हैं या फिर 65p भी लिख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, add rupee पैसे. सी here both the denomination is given, रुपी भी दिया है एंड पैसे भी दिया है. हाउ टू डू? फर्स्ट स्टार्ट विद द पैसे. ओके, राइट से हमेशा स्टार्ट करते हैं पैसे. देन 5 plus 0 5, 2 plus 2 4. क्लियर? पैसे वाला कॉलम हो गया. Write down next to it paise, p. Coming to the rupee column, 6 plus 8 how much children? 14, 4 and 1 carry over. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 4 10, 0 and 1 carry over to the hundreds place. Clear? Then 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8. Okay, so you can write down rupee sign like this. See, here both the denomination is given. हाउ टू मेंशन इट? रुपी वाला जो आंसर है उसके सामने में रुपी का साइन देंगे सिंबल. पैसे वाला जो कॉलम है उसका आंसर के राइट साइड में आप पी फॉर पैसे इंडिकेट कर सकते हैं. टुगेदर आंसर यू कैन राइट डाउन रुपीज 804 एंड 45 पैसे या फिर 804.45. बोथ द वेज आर करेक्ट. क्लियर? इन प्लेस ऑफ पी राइटिंग राइट साइड, अगर पी नहीं लिखे हैं तो बीच में आप डेसिमल डॉट डाल देंगे. दैट मीन्स ये साइड आपका रुपी का है. क्लियर चिल्ड्रेन?